Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Google Play Store in your PC and laptop in 2026. So how to do this? Let's get started. First open your Google Chrome and then go over to Play Store and then search for Android apps on Google Play Store and click on the first link. Once you do this, it will open Google Play Store. Just click on these three dots and then click on More Tools and then click on Create Shortcut. Once you do this, it will open this. Just make sure you tick this button which says Open as Window and then click on Create. Once you do this, it will open in a new window and it will automatically be installed in your PC. And then you can search it in your start menu. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.